Here on the WIX site editor, for example, if I want to make this FAQ page to have the password protection, what you want to do is go to your left side of your screen and then click right here on pages and menu. Just click on it one time. And then you want to go on site menu. On site menu, you want to search for the specific page that you want to have it protecting by password. And you want to hover over the page and then click right here on these three dots. And then you want to click on settings of that page. And then on the page settings, you want to go to permission. On who can access this page, you want to click on password holders. And you want to set up your own password. So for example, I'm going to set it as 12345. And there you go. You can also make it limited to your site members if you choose on site members. So people have to log in or sign up first to see on the specific page. After that, you want to click on publish right here. So all of the changes was saved. And keep in mind that you can apply it manually on every page of your site, but you have to do it manually. And after you lock the page, there will be this key icon beside the page. And then here, if I copy my website, and then to open it on incognito browser, here on incognito, I can just typing in my website and then visit it. And as you can see, I can just access my home page for free. And also, if I click on blog page on Lullaby, for example, I can access it again. But if I go to FAQ, as you can see, there will be this notification called guest area and I have to enter the password. So if I enter on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and click on go, and I can access my FAQ page. And there you go. If you still have any question about WIX, just comment down below and I will try and do my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to password protect your page on WIX to secure your page. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.